So how can you shut it down at the iPhone if your screen does not work? Let me show you how it works. Let me explain that. So if this is your first time on this channel, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. Now, of course, you have plenty of ways to turn off the iPhone through the display, and they are all like in a different area, right? So first of all, you can go to the control center, and in the top right corner, you can hold down on the toggle to, turn off the phone and then slide to turn off. You can also hold down on the power button and the volume down and get to the same page. And also you have the shut it down section within your settings, general, and at the bottom when you scroll down, you can find it there. So that's how it works through the software. However, if your screen does not work at all, you can also perform the hard turn off where you press the volume up, volume down, and then you hold down on the power button, which is like a hard reset, you could call it that way, right? And that's the way to turn off and shut down the iPhone without touching anything on the screen, without sliding the iPhone to power off, right? So that is how you can technically perform it. So that is how it works. Of course, you can just leave your phone on without charging and it will turn off automatically, right? Because it runs out of the power. So I guess that would be a method to do it this way. But that's it from me. I just quickly wanted to explain that how it works. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later in the upcoming tutorials as well. So stay tuned and I'll see you then.